Ah, credit card, that magical piece of plastic that lets you spend money you don't have on things you don't need to impress people you'll never see again. Welcome to Tough Finance, where we don't teach you how to max out points, we teach you how not to max out on your dignity. Today's episode, how to use credit cards without becoming their prisoners. Why credit card feels like free money. Let's start with this. Credit cards are designed to make you feel powerful while making you poorer. That $5 latte? Swipe. That $80 impulse order at 1 a.m? Swipe. Those 400 Taylor Swift tickets? Swipe it, cried later. It doesn't feel like spending, it feels like magic until the bill shows up and you realize you finance regret at 26.99% APR. What they don't tell you but definitely know. Credit cards don't make money when you pay in full. They make money when you're just responsible enough to survive but not escape. Their dream customer makes minimum payments, carries revolving debt, stays just under the limit and feels loyal because points. Let me say it louder. Your rewards are bait. You're not gaming the system, you are the system. The interest trap, where they really eat. Here's where the trap tightens. Let's say you carry $3,000 balance at 24% APR. Pay the minimum, you're in for 4 years of payments and you pay double what you borrowed. Why? Compound interest, but working against you. It's a snowball of financial regret that grows every time you say, it's only $40, I'll pay it off later. Later becomes never, and never becomes a credit score that cries quietly in corner. How to actually use a credit card without being a clown. Okay, now for the part where we act like responsible adults. Here's how to use a credit card without getting wrecked. Pay it in full, always. If you can't, don't swipe it. Set autopay. You're not too cool for automation, you're just forgetful. Treat your limit like a trap, not a goal. Just because they let you borrow $6,000 doesn't mean you should. Use one card for discipline, not 7 for clout. Ignore points unless you already have your finances in check. That airline miles aren't worth your soul. A credit card is a tool. Used right, it builds credit and rewards discipline. Used wrong, it's a luxury prison cell with your name engraved in gold foil. The truth about points, perks, premium cards. Let's talk about the hype. You've seen the YouTube thumbnails. I make 5k in points last month. Amex Platinum changed my life. Travel hacking equals financial freedom. You know what they don't show? The annual fees, the overspending to hit the bonus, the interest you don't pay in full, and the hours spent managing 19 different programs for a free flight to Tampa. If you're not already financially dialed in, chasing credit card rewards is just a gamified way to lose money. Credit versus debt, know the line. Let's make this painfully simple. Credit is a tool, debt is a trap. The second you carry a balance, even once, you cross the line. Your credit card company isn't hoping you're smart, they're betting you'll slip just once, and that's all it takes to go from earning points to paying 3 times for KFC with interest. Credit isn't evil, but pretending it's not dangerous, that's delusional. Use it with precision, with discipline, and with the understanding that the moment you lose control, it owns you. So don't be proud of your limit, be proud of never needing it. This is Tough Finance. Stay cynical, stay solvent, and stop bragging about your cashback while you're carrying a balance.